You are 28. You have a stable job. You work hard every week. You don't waste money. You rarely buy expensive things. You even try to save whenever you can. So why does it still feel like you're getting nowhere? Why does your bank account never seem to grow? Because staying broke isn't always about making bad decisions. Sometimes it's about following advice that no longer works. You were taught a simple formula: study hard, work hard, get a good job, save your money. Everything will work out. But then reality arrives, and things don't go according to plan. Rent goes up, food gets more expensive. Everything costs more than you expected. You work harder than ever, yet somehow you're still falling behind. You start budgeting. You cut subscriptions. You stop buying little luxuries. You bring lunch from home. You skip vacations. You try to save every dollar possible, and those habits help. But they have limits. You can only cut expenses so much. Eventually, there is nothing left to cut. Meanwhile, your income stays the same. And that's where the real problem begins. Then something exciting happens. You finally get a raise, for the first time in years. You feel like you're getting ahead, but then you upgrade your phone. You upgrade your apartment. Then comes the newer car, the nicer furniture, the bigger monthly payments. A few months later, your raise has completely disappeared. You earn more, but somehow you're still broke. You think wealth comes from earning more, but wealth often comes from owning more. Most people buy things that cost money. Wealthy people buy things that make money. You buy a gadget. The gadget loses value. You buy an asset. The asset keeps working while you sleep. That's when money starts working harder than you do. You spent years in school, learning many things, but nobody taught you investing. Nobody taught you cash flow. Nobody explained how wealth is actually built. So you entered adulthood, expected to figure it all out yourself. Then there is the most powerful factor of all: time. You think money creates wealth, but time multiplies wealth. A small investment today can become something enormous decades later. But every year you wait, you lose something you can never recover. Not money, time. So if you're still broke, it doesn't automatically mean you're failing. You may simply be playing the wrong game, following rules that don't build wealth. Because wealth isn't built by working harder forever. It's built by making money work for you. The moment you understand that, everything starts to change. And that's the difference between staying broke and finally moving forward. Please subscribe.